Welcome to the ultimate journey through rock and roll history. From Elvis to Queen, Rolling Stones, and beyond. Rock and roll was born in the 1950s, blending rhythm and blues into a revolutionary sound. Elvis Presley shook the world with his hip-swinging moves and powerful voice. Buddy Holly brought catchy melodies and glasses that became iconic of rockabilly. The Beatles led the British invasion, changing pop music forever. Psychedelic rock exploded with colors, guitar solos, and mind-bending sounds. Woodstock 1969 captured the spirit of a generation with music and peace. Glam rock dazzled with glitter, fashion, and theatrical performances. Heavy metal rose, bringing loud riffs, long hair, and powerful stage energy. Punk rock rebelled with fast, raw sounds and anti-establishment attitude. Funky grooves and disco beats dominated dance floors worldwide. Arena rock brought huge stages, epic solos, and unforgettable shows. Hair metal exploded with big hair, flashy outfits, and over-the-top energy. Queen conquered Wembley with Freddie Mercury's legendary charisma. The Rolling Stones electrified stadiums with decades of iconic hits. Grunge and alternative rock brought raw, emotional sounds to the mainstream. Britpop revived catchy guitar anthems across the UK and the world. Emo and post-hardcore captured youthful angst with intense emotion. Nu metal fused rap and rock for explosive stage energy. Indie rock brought intimate venues, catchy hooks, and authentic vibes. Aerosmith and Run-D.M.C bridged rock and hip-hop with iconic hits. Modern rock festivals unite fans with high-energy performances worldwide. Rock and roll now inspires bands across continents and cultures alike. From past to present, rock and roll remains timeless and legendary.